In this video, I want to show you how to either extrude or cut text into our feature. So the first thing I need to do is start a sketch. So I'm going to click on this surface here, turn it normal 2, go to the sketch toolbar, activate a sketch. The first thing I'm going to do is draw a center line, and that will come into play here in a minute. So I'm going to put a center line right there because I want my text to go on an angle right here. So I've put my center line in. Now I can start the text command. And let's just put our text in. And notice it comes down here on the bottom. Well, I don't want that, but I want to attach it to this line. So I can just click on that line right there, and it will attach it to that line. Excuse me. As I come down to the bottom, that's awfully small, so I want to make that a little bit bigger and use a different font. I'm going to turn off Use Document Font down here, and I'm going to click on the Font button, and this one will come in right here. I can choose any font I want. However, I will say be careful. If it's a script font, it probably is not going to work because it has the loops in it. Some fonts won't work, some fonts will, and you'll just kind of have to experiment with that. So I'm going to come down to one of my favorite fonts, and it's this Show Card Gothic right here. I like to make it bold. And I can change the size right here, and I'm going to try 0.5 and see if that's too big. So I kind of like that, but I can also come over here and spread those letters out a little bit if I would like to. So I'm following the line. I have my lettering in place. And now I can hit the check mark. If I don't like where that line is, I can just simply click on the line and move it. So if I want to move it closer here, move it back here, or move the whole line itself, I can do that. Once I'm ready there, I can go to the Features button, and I can either extrude that out, or I can cut that in. And here is my distance, how far I'm going to go in. Let's go 1/8 of an inch and hit the check mark. Now it's kind of hard to see right there. So I'm going to just click inside. Actually, I'm not going to click. I'm just going to hold over that, find the little appearance wheel, and come down. And I'm going to take the cut right here and turn it black. So I'm going to turn it black so that I can see Tice as black right there. And that is how you cut or extrude lettering onto your project. If we want to review that again, I'm going to click on the surface, normal 2, sketch, sketch. I always draw a center line because that's what I want to attach my wording to. Go to the A button, type in my lettering. Let's see, it's 2013 right now. And come down, take the Use Document Font off, change my font here, change my height over here, and I like it bold, so I'm going to double click that again and go down to Font, and let's make it bold. Maybe we'll italicize it, click OK. From there, I can go into my Features bar, and let's extrude that one. And I can extrude that. Maybe I'm going to extrude that 0.5 check mark. So now I have extruded that out. If I want to color it, right click on it, find the little wheel, and I want to color the extrusion. So I click on that, and let's make that a nice yellow color. Hit the check mark, and that is how you extrude or cut text into our feature.